Hidden within these sacred encounters is a message that transcends time. The Virgin Mary has appeared to countless souls, offering hope and wisdom. Her presence is a beacon, guiding us through the darkness. Such visions are not mere tales, but profound experiences revealing the divine connection between heaven and earth. What did these apparitions mean for those who witnessed them? In times of crisis, the Virgin Mary appeared with messages of peace, prayer, and repentance. These encounters encouraged faith and unity, urging humanity to return to spirituality. She called upon individuals to embrace compassion and devotion, fostering a deeper connection with the holy. In the context of modern life, these messages hold a timeless relevance. Today's world, fraught with turmoil, can still heed the Virgin Mary's call. Her guidance encourages proactive kindness and strengthens our communities. Exemplifying enduring faith amidst adversity, she offers a spiritual framework for navigating our complex world with grace. Ultimately, the messages of the Virgin Mary invite us to reflect on our spiritual journey. Embracing her teachings can transform personal lives and inspire global unity. Her legacy is a reminder of the power of faith and the potential for divine intervention in our daily existence. These insights remain a beacon of hope,